Hi everyone, today I'm going to help show you how to access your license plate bulb. I'm not going to say I know for sure how to do it correctly, since you can see here that the fixture is loose once I tried putting it back together, but hopefully this can still give you guidance. So the tools you need are the crosshead screwdriver to take off your license plate, which is optional, but required is a flathead to pry out the light fixture. Now let's examine the fixture we will be removing. As you can see on the left here, there are prongs that rest on the inside of the bumper. And on the opposite side, there's a small notch that you can use to pry down the fixture. Once you got it partially pried out, you're going to have to zigzag it out a little bit. I pushed it to the left to get the right to drop out a little, then do the opposite and push it to the right to get the left to drop out. And continue doing this until the fixture finally comes out. So with this information, let's get started. Pry down the notch side, then zigzag it out. It may be hard to see, but I will show this at another angle. You will see that after it initially drops down, I will move it slightly to the right, then the left drops down, then left for the right to drop down. Once out, you will twist this counterclockwise to get to the bulb. Here is where your bulb should be, but I don't have one because I replaced it with something else that I will get to in another video. Now that you replaced your bulb, make sure you test it before putting it back together. And to put it back together, just go ahead and do everything in reverse. Hope this helps you, and thanks for watching.